for not being able to make it there in person. But I do take this opportunity to congratulate the organizing committee for organizing this wonderful program. And I also would like to thank all of you for taking your time to participate in this very, very important program. As people from the northeast region of India, there are challenges we face which may be different in some ways to other parts of the country. We're all students or individuals working in different organizations. And as we travel and work in different parts of the country, at one point or the other, we might have faced certain challenges. It is important for us to look at these challenges and convert them into opportunities. I remember even as a child, when I grew up in Delhi, my brother James, my sister Christy and Agatha, we faced similar challenges. And we reacted at that time in a very negative manner. But I realized that by being negative, we are only increasing the problem in one way. Therefore, I would like to urge through this platform that what is important for us is to take this into a positive aspect. Wherever these challenges come, it's important that we come together. We look at the problems and try to solve them. We try to reach out to different people.